Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my friends, well-wishers, critics, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to share with you a thought-provoking philosophy, a concept that challenges the way we see life, success, and time itself. It's called Die with Zero. It's not just a phrase, it's a mindset, a way of living that urges us to make the most of every moment, to invest our time, money, and energy into experiences that truly matter before it's too late. I hope as I speak, you will not only understand this idea, but also feel inspired to reflect on your own journey and how you are truly living your life. Let's talk about this concept, the lifestyle and financial philosophy, which is popularized by Bill Perkins in his book, Die with Zero. It says what you got, spend it in life experiences. Don't save it to be given to the next generations. In today's world, with our lifespans increasing, by the time we leave the earth or we die, our offsprings are also in their 50s and 60s. So they are already earning their living and making their own money. You had rather spend that money you made on your own and your kids' life experiences than just putting it in the bank. When you die, no matter whatever your bank balance is, what you really remember and cherish is what you did with your life and how you lived it well. This saving tendency is rampant in us immigrant families and all Eastern cultures. We have seen our previous generation, our fathers, mothers, grandfathers, the generation before us do it. We got to learn from their mistakes now. There is a happy balance. I'm not saying spend everything or just don't save anything. But there is a very happy balance between saving enough to have a comfortable life till you die and still enjoying the experience today, now. Thank you, my friend. May God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.